Copying the program occurs in several methods. Let's look at each of them. Select the needed object and press on the copy icon in the upper left corner of the interface. You can complete the same exact action with the key Ctrl-C. The object is being copied to any place on the workspace. The next method is by the Alt key. Holding down the Alt key, move the object to the needed place. For additional copying settings, choose Copy Offsets in the drop-down tab Tools. Choose the needed object and apply this tool. Let's look at the settings panel of the copy offsets. At the top, choose the additional copying options from the drop-down list and set one of the 3 coordinate axes in the index input field. The Add option adds additional copying options. Clicking on remove the unnecessary option. Number of copies sets the number of copies that will be created. In the additional settings panel of this tool, you can save the changed settings for further applying in the document. You can give it a specific name. Saved options will be displayed in the drop-down tab Load Macro. To remove the settings, click on Remove Macro. To return the default settings, click on Clear. In the pop-up window, you can completely clear the panel or save the settings in the Load macro and then clear. To make a copy, press Copy. Since the panel's values are not set, the object will be duplicated to the same place. In the window copy offset, you can add several options to achieve the needed result. This saves a lot of time.